The annual report is something that needs to happen as we did the strategic plan almost 3 years ago. Doing that, it was also, my thought process was to include One Fairfax. Operationalizing One Fairfax with a strategic plan is key to us understanding how and what we should do to bring in access and equity for all. So thinking about it, how do you make people understand where you're going and how you're going to get there? The annual report showcases that for all of county residents, including employees. Well, you know, there are 4 key drivers in this report. There's equity, community outcomes, data integration, and inclusive engagement. Our goal is to showcase all and help our residents understand that this is where we're headed throughout our strategic plan. Whereas equity is to operationalize our One Fairfax policy, which I believe that we've been trying to do here in Fairfax County over the last 5 years. Community outcomes, we're taking a phased approach to addressing 10 outcome areas using data to inform how we're going to move forward. The data integration, we've launched 3 data dashboards and data stories so far, with 7 remaining. My goal, our goal, because it's all about us, we are trying to have those 10 dashboards done within the next few years. And finally, inclusive engagement. You know, we're piloting a number of community engagement platforms to allow us to understand what's happening in our communities. Collective action. It's about us, it's about we. As you know, Fairfax County is the largest minority-majority county. So we're trying to inform as well as learn from our residents. I want everybody to go to the strategic plan website, which includes the links of our past, our present, and our future. It is very important to be transparent in how we move forward. Fairfax County is a transparent run government led by our Board of Supervisors. I want to thank them for allowing us to move our strategic plan forward, and I want to thank each and every one of our employees here at Fairfax County, because we are doing this the right way, and this is why the strategic plan and the release of all annual reports are needed so they can see our progress going forward.